Black hole merger detected, largest yet in a discovery that has left scientists stunned. Researchers from the LIGO-Virgo-KAGRA collaboration have confirmed the detection of the largest black hole merger ever observed. The event created a cosmic giant with a mass more than 225 times that of our Sun, reshaping our understanding of the universe. Groundbreaking event. The merger involved two massive black holes colliding billions of light years away. The violent cosmic event released unimaginable amounts of energy in the form of gravitational waves, ripples in space-time first predicted by Albert Einstein over a century ago. Why this matters? Until now, scientists believed black holes of this size were extremely rare, if not impossible, to detect. This merger challenges existing theories about how black holes form and grow. It suggests that there may be more of these intermediate mass black holes hidden throughout the universe. The science behind it. Gravitational wave detectors like LIGO in the United States, Virgo in Italy, and KAGRA in Japan picked up the signals. By analyzing the data, researchers were able to reconstruct the size, distance, and mass of the merger, confirming it as the heaviest ever recorded. What it means for humanity. This discovery opens new doors for astronomy. It could help explain how galaxies evolve and how the largest black holes, the ones at the centers of galaxies, may have formed. It's another reminder that the universe still holds mysteries far beyond our imagination. Conclusion. The largest black hole merger ever recorded is more than just a scientific milestone. It's a glimpse into the violent, dynamic, and awe-inspiring universe we live in. And with each new detection, we get closer to understanding our place among the stars.